Ang isa pong pagiging mabuting halimbawa ay hindi po one-time act. Pagiging mabuting halimbawa, ako minsan ko lang ginawa. It's not a one-time act. Ang spiritual legacy, yung pwede nating maiwan po is not built in a moment, but it should be consistent. Ano po? Consistent faithfulness. Hindi pwedeng sabihin natin, faithful ka, ginawa mo lang minsan. Tama ba? Pag faithful, yan po ay series ng mga paggawa natin na hindi tayo mihinto. It is not what we say, binanggit ko na po ay kanina ito, it's not what we say, but what we model to our children and to the people around us. Pero sasabihin mo, Pastor, ayoko naman maging model yung buhay ko. Basta ako mamuhay lang. Pero is that not our call? Sa Panginoon na maging halimbawa yung buhay natin. Tingnan na po si Paul. Sabi niya, follow me as I follow the example of Christ. Is that not modeling?